Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Clash of Light which means Clash of Clans hack version. First of all, go to Chrome and search here Clash of Light ES4 APK download. Scroll down, click on the third link, this Clash of Light ES4 APK download light server COC private server fun times https://funtime.com. Click on this and the search result is like this. Here are some screenshots. Look at the gold elixir and you scroll down. And here will be two download button. Click on this one, download. I have already downloaded it, so I am not downloading. After downloaded, click on it and it takes some time. Setting and on sources. Okay, install it. Oh, it is installing now. Okay, app installed. Open it and you can play now. So, update is available, so I am not updating because I am not playing this game now. You update and play this game, Clash of Light COC hack version. Thanks for watching. If you like, then like this video and subscribe to the channel.